This module is bonus material for Module 3 Database Creation Assistant. We are going to do a quick review of the scripts generated by the DBCA. I just connected to the Linux server as A Cortinas. I'll sudo to Oracle account. You can use PuTTY or any other SSH client to connect to the Linux server, or simply use the Linux console as we've been doing it. When we were working on the DBCA, you may remember that prior to create the database, we checked the checkbox to produce the creation scripts. Those scripts were created under Oracle base admin directory. Let's change directory to user1 app oracle admin test scripts. This is where all the scripts are located. These scripts can be used to learn and understand the manual steps involved to create a database. And they could also be useful to customize a database, changing some settings, adding or removing functionality, create additional users, table space, adjust parameters, etc. Once the customized database is created, you can create a template of this and reuse it as many times as you need. How the scripts are used. The main script is the one called as your database instance or SID. In this case, we call the database test. So the main script is test.sh. Let's review this file. Assuming that test database is not created, if you execute this script, it will run all the necessary scripts to create this database. Test.sh will create several directories needed for traces and auditing, set environment variables, to finally call the SQL file that will run the actual database creation. This file is called test.sql. Test.sql will then create a password file. This file is used to authenticate as sysdba. We'll learn more about this later. Then we'll run the script to create the database. We'll add additional table spaces. We'll create a data dictionary. Then we'll add the database options such as JVM, context, intermedia, etc. We'll log non-admin accounts, patch the database, to finally create the PDB, plug it into this database, and then create table spaces at the PDB level. Now you know where to find these scripts. We have given a quick glance at the DBCA generated scripts.